Hello, my materialistic minions. It's me, Bo Shevasu. Actually, I'm not the dog. These are sleeping corgi puppies. They're absolutely horrible supervisors when it comes to installing a dog door. We actually got the large version because although they are small in that they have short little legs, they do have a relatively wide girth, somewhat similar to even some Labradors out there. So we opted for the large dog door, and this is a step-by-step on how to install this from square one, including some tips and tricks to make it easier for you. Let's hop right into it. If you have adorable little cute puppies like these corgis right over here, well, someday they're gonna get big enough that you don't want to babysit them, always letting them in and outside. So we got this door, this dog door. This is only half of it because there are actually two flaps. We live here in the Pacific Northwest. Weather goes like this. We want to make sure that we're not losing any kind of energy. But this is the installation video. First thing you want to do is measure your dog in terms of them being an adult, not as a puppy. And so they've got short little legs. So for our particular uses, we're only about maybe, I want to say 3 inches up from the bottom. You're probably going to have yours a lot taller. But again, they've got these itty bitty adorable little legs. Next thing you want to do is, while the door is still hanging on the jamb, take your level and you want to level it right where the top of this stencil is and make a straight line across. Then once you get a level line with a pencil, then you can take it off. So what you're basically doing is establishing the point at which you're gonna make this whole thing level. Now we can put the stencil on, and there's a handy little mark right in the middle of the stencil to determine where you bisect your door. So we are 35.5 inches across, and yes, there's that little mark. You can kind of see it underneath that blue tape. And so it's really easy to put the included stencil on here. The next thing is you just cut it out and put the door in. Let's do it. Absolutely worth the money to get one of these magnets, giant magnets. We originally got it from a roofer, and he walks around the lawn picking up nails that have somehow slipped off of the roof. And in this particular case, metal shards are being thrown everywhere. So Penny is lending her services and picking it all up. Ooh boy, those little razors would hurt bare feet if you were running out here, huh? Thanks for doing that. Once you cut along the main sections with your circular saw, you can finish off the corners with a reciprocating saw. Go ahead and take the interior portion of the doorway as indicated by these screw holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and get your drill. Go ahead and drill some pilot holes all the way through the door, and then you'll see on the other side, out comes, I already put the bolts in so you can see where those holes come out. Don't worry if these holes are pretty big. They can be upwards of 1/2 inch. You just need to get them all the way through because those bolts are going to align with these holes on this side, just like that. It's gonna take a little bit of trial and error to insert the screws, the bolts into each of these 4, but eventually they should bite this. So the entire thing is sandwiching the door. Oh, and loudmouth. And because my video review will be removed from the skinny jeans soy milk sipping moderators over at Amazon, I must remain covered. But I did want to show you the final result right here. I got my caulking right here. As you can see, I went all the way around the top and the bottom here in the Pacific Northwest. The outdoor doors will get hammered with a lot of moisture and a lot of rain. So stay ahead of that. You do not want to get moisture inside of your door. And as you can see, my wife already put the flaps up to train the dogs to go in and out. It is very helpful if they're not quite sure if they should push their nose through that. But once they wake up, you'll see that there is the tape up there, and they're gonna learn so fast. And once they get used to it, take the tape off and they'll nuzzle right on through. So there's the full installation video. Hope this helps.